on channel 8, it would seem. But you saw how it used to work on the other speaker. If I did this, it was very annoying, but it would tap on there. If I said something in the microphone, you would hear it from this, or the big speakers mostly, but I don't know what I'm doing here. And other than just pressing a bunch of buttons, like the call button or the plus button or I'm not getting a whole lot of anything. So what's the deal here? Take this off. It says status blah blah blah, and it's just flashing. So I don't know what that means. Let's say if I press what looks like a phone, like a
likey.